Do you know that 90% of investors, especially first-time buyers, will lose their money when buying land in Enugu this year? Also, do you know that most of the people who invest in land end up having endless land disputes? If you watch this video to the end, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to buy land in Enugu successfully. Number one, look out for a good location. When it comes to real estate investment, location is a top priority to consider. I mean, for you to know your location, you need to understand your need. Why are you buying this land? I mean, are you looking for a buy and build land, a land where you can buy today and then you start building immediately? Are you considering land investment? I mean, something like land banking, buying land today and then possibly leave it for a few years and then resell later so that you can get high return on investment. Are you looking for a legacy? I mean, you want to build a transgenerational wealth. You want to pass your wealth to the next generation. Before you buy land, please always look out for a good location. Number two, plan your budget. Always have a clear budget before you start buying any land. I mean, plan for a budget that will cover the land, that will cover the development fee, that will cover the documentation, also possible hidden charges. I mean, if you have a good budget and you plan your budget very well, you will not go beyond your limits. Number three, research the land you want to buy. Once you've considered location, your budget, the next thing is to research about the land. So look out for land online, depending on the location you want and also the need why you are buying the land. When you get this particular land, always research about the person who is selling to you. Ensure that the person who is selling to you has the right to sell this property to you. And also know if the land has any government issues or maybe it is under government acquisition. Having a good research will help you prevent any future disputes over the land. Number four, conduct a due diligence on the title and the documents. Always verify the title and the document before you buy land, whether it's a deed of assignment, a registered survey, or even certificates of occupancy. Always verify these documents at the Ministry of Land. And if you can't handle it by yourself, you can employ the services of a professional lawyer, a property lawyer, or a reputable real estate agent. They can help you conduct this due diligence effortlessly. Always ensure that you verify these documents before you make that payment. Finally, make payments and receive your documents. So if you have followed these other steps, the next thing to do is to make payments. And while making payments, I would advise that you pay through company's account and not a personal account. And also, please don't pay with cash. Pay through bank transfer so that you have a proof of payment. And after making payment, the next thing is to receive your document from the company, whether it's a deed of assignment, a registered survey, and ensure that every information in the document are very accurate. All right, if you are looking to invest in the city of Enugu, call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen so that will help you make the right investment.